Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial video we're gonna take a look at how to change Spotify password without old password. So if you don't have access to your old password, you'll need to reset your password of Spotify. Now in order to do that, you'll need to head over to the app of Spotify first and then tap on the settings icon on the top right of the screen and then scroll down to the bottom and tap on support. Now as soon as you do that, the support tab of Spotify will open up in a web browser. Now all you need to do is scroll down and tap on can't reset password. If you don't see this option, you can type it in and search it right here. From here again scroll down and tap on reset your password. Now the next thing you'll need to do is enter in your email address or the username of the account that you want to reset and then tap on send. Now a password reset email will be sent to your email address that you just entered. Now after you open up your email, you'll simply need to tap on reset password and again a new interface will open up in your browser. Now from here you can type in a new password. So this way you won't be needing your old password to create a new password. Type in the new password, repeat it to confirm it and then tap on send. So that's how exactly you can change your Spotify password without knowing your old password. Now if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. Keep watching and I'll be back soon with more videos.